The model of this welding equipment is KA-H1, which is specifically suitable for horizontal fillet welding operations. The equipment consists of control box, handle, welding torch fixture, XY slider, guide wheel, drive parts. The control box is equipped with start button, stop button, direction control button, walking speed button, display screen. Now, let me introduce the practical operation process of the fillet welding trolley. First, position the trolley against the workpiece. You can adjust the length of the guide wheel by turning the screws. Special attention is required here. The guide wheel must maintain contact with the workpiece. When we weld from the direction indicated by the arrows in the video, the inclination angle for placing the welding trolley is indicated by the arrow in the video. When the welding direction is reversed, the inclination angle of the trolley placement, as indicated by the arrows in the video,